This is an axle out of an old Cadillac. So where you bring your classic car matters. So somebody actually put bearings on this and an axle seal. But you see that big giant groove right here? And that happens to be right where the axle seal rides. So one way to do this, the proper way to do this, is actually to press it off where you can't hurt the axle. The other way is you can actually score this with a grinder, then take a chisel and then break the bearing off. But unfortunately, they cut a decent sized groove right in here, right where the seal goes. So no matter how many seals you put on this, it will never, ever seal. So this is where the seal goes. This is the plate presses against it. But unfortunately, with that giant groove there, you can actually see with the little bit of oil left from the seal, you can see right that little line that's going all the way across, that's the seal. So that's riding right on that groove. So whoever worked on this car cost the customer an axle. You're having to do the job twice. So where you bring your classic Cadillac matters.